Suzhou, known as the native place of Shandong and the hometown of Chenh, is pregnant with brand new miracles out of its ancient civilization. Today, Suzhou is growing rapidly along with China's trend of high-speed development. Qixing Group is a large-scale state-owned shareholding enterprise taking the developing and strengthening of China's manufacturing industry. It has made outstanding achievements in many fields such as mechanical manufacturing, photovoltaic, semiconductor special gas, integrated circuit materials, new energy, and etc., which have left a profound and colorful chapter in the history of China's machinery manufacturing and a photovoltaic industry. The hardship of starting an undertaking through all kinds of difficulties. In the autumn of 1984, the enterprising history of Suzhou was rewritten. Groups of pioneers gathered here from every quarter. They traveled with light and simple packs, carrying the sacred mission of revitalizing China's manufacturing industry. Qixing has blossomed from a small street-side factory manufacturing bicycle accessories into a national-level high and new technological enterprise, which mainly produces and operates automobile cabs, automotive chassis, motor homes for special purpose, and mold manufacturing, becoming an integrated enterprise of science, industry, and trade, as well as solar photovoltaic material production. Millennial Genco is cheering for it. In 1984, the first factory building had its groundbreaking ceremony. In 1995, the first production line went into operation. In 1996, the first car body was formally launched. In 2003, the mechanical manufacturing industrial park was built. In 2004, the production line of automotive chassis was formally put into production. In 2008, the Photovoltaic Science and Technology Garden had its groundbreaking ceremony. In 2014, the first new energy reactive chassis was offline. In 2016, the production line of intelligent equipment started to run formally. Tracing back to the marks of time, the foundation of Qixing's development and growth is clearly discernible. From the era of labor-intensive type in the early days, the semi-automatic and fully automatic numerical control type, with a big leap from the Internet to the Internet of Things of big data. Currently, the group owns 4 major industrial sectors of Qixing machinery: Jinxing Photovoltaic, Yaoxing International Trade, and Qixing New Energy, as well as 3 major service entities of hotels, logistics, and natural gas. And groups has 14 subsidiaries with total assets of more than 5 billion yuan. On the journey of China's reform and opening up a new normal economic development, Qixing vows to be a witness and participant of China's economic development, to resonate with world economy, and to be the elite of China's manufacturing. The close integration of science and technology and civilization builds the great dream of human beings. In 2016, China proposed the action agenda of implementing the strategy of being a manufacturing power. The Made in China 2025 strategy, as the first 10-year plan, ignited the revolution of Made in China. Making full use of talents in Jiangsu region, Qixing has fully activated the innovative energy passion. The Automobile Cap Assembly Engineering and Technology Research Center, Provincial Enterprise Technology Center, and Hubei Postdoctoral Industrial Base, an academician expert workstation jointly built the strong platform for Qixing science and technology research and development. Qixing attracted the innovative brains to come here, fight for the enterprise, and jointly shouldered the heavy burdens of the enterprise transformation and upgrading. The products from 93 items of patent, 3 items of copyright, and 103 items of proprietary intellectual property right are presented to the public gloriously. 40 years of pioneering efforts fighting for the throne nowadays. Qixing Group produces 100,000 automobile bodies, 15,000 automobile refitting and chassis, and 800 sets of large and medium-sized mold and tooling manually. Photovoltaic technology industry has the annual production of 1,500 tons of polysilicon, 1,000 tons of ingots and chips, 500 megawatts photovoltaic modules, as well as the 2,000 ton of production volume of various integrated circuit gas materials. Qixing has built and owns the 320 megawatts mountain photovoltaic power station with annual generating capacity at 350 million kilowatt hours. For successively many years, Qixing has realized the 3 China's #1 of the production and sales volume of professional car bodies, production and sales volume of integrated circuit TOS materials, and construction of photovoltaic power plants on the ground of barren mountains. With strong production strength of military equipment, Qixing's products for 5 successive years have appeared in the National Day Military Parade and the national major commemorative activities. It is the first pioneer to apply the photovoltaic poverty relief to the National Targeted Poverty Relief Project, which sets a precedent of photovoltaic poverty relief, share the burden for the government and benefit the people. The leading products of mechanical manufacturing are exported to the Middle East, Southeast Asia region, and the United States, the United Kingdom, India, Nigeria, and other countries and regions. The door of honor is open, and the stars are shining. Qixing has been granted the title of China's famous brand and has been successfully awarded the National Contract Credit Enterprise, the Advanced Industrial Enterprise in Hubei, the Spark Model Enterprise, China's Top 500 Machinery Enterprise, and Hubei's Top 100 Enterprises. Qixing, a name destined to carry the glory and dream, is resailing towards the future. With the acceleration of China's urbanization and the promotion of the Belt and Road strategy, Qixing will certainly operate again and lay down its business pawns, which will reach all of the world, based on the mechanical manufacturing, injecting new momentum with comprehensive strength of the manufacturing industry and driving the industry of hotel, logistics, natural gas to grow hand in hand. Qixing will join hands with the world, make the Chinese made stronger, polish the Chinese brand, and make the light of cause shine forever, like the sun and the moon.